actually just got a drink that I've never gotten before. Okay, so a little mini haul. Get started on the deep cleaning. Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a weekend vlog. I actually just got back from running a few errands. I got my nails done and they feel so fresh. I was gonna vlog before my nail appointment, but I actually went pretty early this morning, like right when they opened. I was running late, so I did not have time to vlog before, so I was gonna show you a good before and after because my nails looked so crusty before. One of them was broken and one of them was like on the verge of breaking and they were just like super grown out, but I did not have a chance to show you before. So I got an entire fresh set and I even changed the shape, and then I just went and got a coffee afterwards. I actually just got a drink that I've never gotten before. I just got a regular iced latte and added the vanilla sweet cream cold foam and 2 pumps of the cinnamon dolce syrup because they're out of pumpkin spice, and I just, you know, because it's January, it's definitely not fall anymore, and I just felt like trying something new. So I wanted something with the sweet cream foam, and I kind of want to like cinnamon. I'm gonna try this. Good. I don't know how I feel about the cinnamon dolce though. All the people in Starbucks can see me filming, so I might do this later. I definitely like the sweet cream cold foam. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I tried this new drink. I've never gotten it before. I just wanted an iced latte, but I wanted something kind of different. And I saw on the app on Starbucks, you can actually add the sweet cream cold foam, add it to any drink, and so I added it to just like a regular iced latte, and then I was gonna do like just my normal vanilla latte, but then I saw the syrup options and I was like, cinnamon dolce, that sounds so good. I've gotten a cinnamon dolce before, but I've never had it iced, and it was actually so good. Like the cinnamon, it's a good winter iced drink. I literally drank it in like 5 minutes. That brings me to where we are now, and I just realized my makeup is like really messed up from wearing a mask, so I might need to fix that. So I just touched up my makeup. I feel a little better now. It'll drive me crazy editing. Basically, I just got my nails done. I went with my friend, so that was really nice. Now I am back home and I'm just looking at my to-do list for the day. Today I need to film, I was gonna film like a Pinterest outfits, like recreating Pinterest outfits video. I mean, they're all pretty like basic and not anything too crazy, but I feel like they're really wearable winter outfits for when you don't know what to wear. They're just like really cute. I do want to film that at some point today, and I want to try to also get it completely edited. I wanted to try to film some Instagram reels while I already have the outfits on, so I don't know, maybe like an outfit idea for one of them. One of my New Year's goals is to post more Instagram reels and more Instagram content. I also kind of wanted to take actual Instagram pictures with the outfits, like really cute Instagram pictures, but it's freezing outside. So that's pretty much what I'm planning on doing today, is to film that. I was gonna show you guys some behind the scenes in this vlog, and then pretty much just editing. Tomorrow I'm gonna do kind of like my reset routine, and I thought I would vlog that. Just kind of prepare for the week. I'm like looking down at my list. I kind of wrote stuff down. Those are kind of some of the things that will be in this vlog. I really do need to get started on the Pinterest outfits video, but first I do need to clean my room. It's a little bit messy. Basically, I just need to make my bed. It's like so cold. Comment down below what the weather is like where you guys live, or even just like what state you live in or something, because I'm really curious what the weather is like. I actually think it's so cold where I am, but you guys might live somewhere where it's like way colder. I think 20 and 30 degrees Fahrenheit is pretty cold, and I hate this time of year. Like January is nice because it's like a fresh start. Like if you're in school, it's like a new semester and new classes, and you can, it's like a nice fresh start. Like I love fresh starts, like whether it's like a Monday or a new year or a new semester. I hate this time of year weather-wise because it's like winter and it's cold, and January, February, and March are pretty much all cold, and it's not gonna get warmer for months. I hate winter. You know where I want to be right now? This is where I want to be right now. This is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. This is where I want to be. Actually, that's also where I want to be. Alfred Coffee in LA. This phone case just makes me so happy because I see all these places that just make me happy. Good memories in the summer with my sister, Disney brand trip I went on. I just love this phone case. It's got like all my favorite things on it, and it's so aesthetic and cute. By the way, this phone case is from Casetify. It makes me so happy whenever I look at it, and I get so many compliments on it too. Like everybody's obsessed with this case. I just got a bunch of compliments at the nail salon. I absolutely love Casetify. I've talked about Casetify in so many videos, but if you guys haven't tried Casetify yet, you definitely need to. I promise you guys will absolutely love it. it. I actually am partnering with Casetify on this video, but I've mentioned them in so many of my recent videos, whether I partnered with them or not partnered with them. They are absolutely my favorite cases. Ever since trying my first Casetify case, it has been the only phone case I've used. They are just so protective and cute, and I feel like most protective phone cases are ugly and bulky and you don't have very many options, but with Casetify, they're super protective, they're slim, like literally look how slim this is, and it's super protective and it's cute and you can customize them and you have so many options, so many prints, so many designs, customization options, and then you can do this cute little collage as well. Like there's so many options and they're protective. Literally just the best of everything. I love Casetify. I genuinely can't say it enough. And the impact cases, which is what this is, they're engineered with a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech technology, and they're drop test approved for up to 6.6 feet, which if you guys have seen some of my recent vlogs, I've drop tested them myself on camera for you, which I will be doing in this vlog as well. And they're much more protective than cases that you would get on Amazon or anywhere else. Like I said, they come in so many designs, so you can pick your favorite color and favorite print and really just match it to your personality. And you can also add your name or monogram for a truly customized case. And Casetify really lets you just have the very best of everything. You get protection with personality, and Casetify's cases also have an antimicrobial coating, which helps keep your cases germ-free, and it kills 99% of bacteria. And the cases are partially made of recycled plastic, so you can really just feel good about your phone looking great. Just a little fun fact, the Ultra Impact and Impact cases are the world's slimmest, most protective case. So as you can see, it's just super slim, and I have literally dropped my phone a million times and it has protected it every single time. Like I mentioned, I'm going to test out the military grade drop protection and actually put Casetify to the test. We are gonna do that now. That is the drop test. As you can see, my Casetify case definitely protected my phone through that drop. I've shown it in multiple vlogs, dropping it down my apartment stairs, dropping it off my countertop, and I've also dropped it just in real life, getting out of my car on the concrete and many other places, and it has held up and protected my phone through all of that. So if you need to protect your phone but still want it to look great, you definitely need to get a Casetify case. I have great news for you guys. I do have a discount code with Casetify, so go to casetify.com/EmilyGrace to get 20% off today. Definitely check it out and save that 20% off so you can get a super cute case. So definitely make sure to check it out and save that 20%. Just thought I'd tell you guys really quickly because I was looking at my case and I was just looking at all these great memories. So I definitely recommend this case with the little collage because you can just put so many great memories and it looks super cute and aesthetic. I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys about my phone case. And thank you again to Casetify for partnering with me on this video. Casetify is genuinely, like I said, one of my favorite brands. I think I was talking about the Pinterest video before. I guess I will get my room all cleaned up so I can film. Honestly, that Starbucks was so good. I'm gonna have to get another one of these tomorrow. If you guys do end up trying that Starbucks drink, definitely send me like a DM or a picture, like post it on your stories or something, because I would love to know your guys' thoughts. Like comment your guys' favorite Starbucks drinks because I really want to try new Starbucks drinks. I'm kind of like looking for a new favorite, although I feel like I might have found it today. Actually, would you guys want me to do like a trying my viewers' favorite drinks, where people go and like try different Starbucks drinks like recommended by their subscribers? I could go and try your guys' favorite Starbucks drinks in a video, like get a different Starbucks drink every day for a week. Would you guys be interested in watching that? I'm like pointing my finger at you, I don't know why. It's because my nails, when I get my nails done, I'm like, I love Starbucks and I really am in the mood to try new drinks, and I would love to try your guys' favorite. I literally have just been rambling on about complete nonsense. I'm gonna stop procrastinating. I'm going to clean my room and get my room all ready to film. Okay, so my room is completely cleaned up and I am going to film the Pinterest video. I'm actually so excited to film this. I think it's gonna be a super fun video. So it's a little bit later now. I just filmed the Pinterest, recreating Pinterest outfits video. I think it actually turned out so good. Like I literally loved all the outfits. Definitely make sure to check out the video. It's something kind of different and fun, and I was so excited to film it. So it actually turned out so cute. Got this pile of clothes here that I need to clean up. So I'll probably just spend the next 30 minutes or so, hanging up all those clothes. And then I kind of want to go over the footage and start editing it because I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I also need to edit this winter clothing essentials video, so I'll probably just stay up late tonight editing. So I pretty much got everything cleaned up from filming. I'm actually really hungry now because it's 6 o'clock and I had like a decent sized lunch. I had like a sandwich with avocado. For some reason I'm like really hungry for dinner, and it's like kind of early. I'm gonna have dinner and then I'm probably just gonna spend my night editing either the Pinterest video or the winter clothing essentials video. So I'll probably just end today's portion of the vlog here and just talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It is Sunday. So honestly, I can't tell you why I did a full face of makeup and then I was like, wait, I'm not even doing anything today. Like, I don't really know why I got ready. I was like, I'm just gonna put my hair up. I literally just did a full face makeup out of the routine of doing it. The only person who's gonna see me is you watching this, is however many people watch this, which is actually kind of a lot of people, more people than would actually physically see me. I'm just wearing this comfy jacket, like oversized jacket, and it's gonna be a comfy, productive day. So anyways, today's Sunday. It's just kind of like my reset day. I'm just gonna kind of get prepared for the week ahead. Did get the same Starbucks drink I got yesterday. I totally forgot to bring my camera with me to Starbucks, so I didn't vlog. It's super good. I feel like the cinnamon and then like sweet cream cold fruit foam. Sweet cream cold foam. I keep wanting to say cold brew, but it's cold foam. It just has a nice winter flavor even though it's ice. I also got a few packages as well. Like one thing I ordered from Etsy, I think I was telling you guys about it yesterday maybe. And then I ordered some Nespresso pods. That's pretty much where I'm at now. I'm just looking at my digital calendar. I do want to do a little bit of a deep clean. I want to get my apartment all cleaned up, picked up, cleaned up, and ready for the week. I don't really have much laundry to do, or else I would do laundry, like wash my bedding, but I just did that the other day. I do want to wash my makeup brushes, back up my computers. I want to like physically plan out my week. I kind of have it all in my digital calendar, but I want to write it all down. Got this thing from Target. It's just like a little calendar kind of thing, and I just want to write it all down on here. I got like a miniature one, so one of these, I'm gonna write it on one of these. And I also need to plan out a video I'm gonna film this week but post next week. So that's the plan for the day. Those are just some things I like to do on Sunday to just kind of, basically anything I can do to just kind of make my life easier throughout the week and make the week flow easier. I guess I will just go ahead and plan out my week. And then I'm gonna use my markers and pens. I planned out my week. I basically just wrote everything from my digital calendar down on here because I like being able to see it in a physical format and being able to check it off. I will link below these pens if you guys are interested. I really like them. I just need to get like a little pencil bag or something for them. I also love these little markers as well, like little marker highlighter type of things. So a little mini haul. So from Nespresso, I got the double espresso scuro. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So I got two of these. They're just the double espresso. And I also ordered these Altiso. I'm definitely not saying that right. This is just like a single shot of espresso. I really like those for when I'm making lattes at home. Free sample. Looks like that. So these are just the Nespresso Virtuo pods. I got a Colombia and a Mexico. I also got this from Etsy. It's the goals notebook that Julia Christ here on YouTube came out with. It's super cute. Also look at the little envelope. It's so cute. So excited for this. I always tell myself that, like, I always make like daily goals, but I never make monthly goals. And I feel like those are almost the most important because they're more measurable, things you can really implement, but I never really made monthly goals. I saw Julia and also my friend Vanessa always posting monthly goals on their Instagram, and I'm like, I really need to start doing it, but I still couldn't get myself to actually do it. Julia came out with this and I was like, oh, this is so good. Like, this will make me actually make monthly goals and be able to track them and see my progress. So I literally love the concept of this notebook. It's like the best thing ever. Julia, whenever she would post her monthly goals, like really inspired me to start making monthly goals. Anyways, this is the notebook that she came out with. So, oh, there's like a cute little, this is what it looks like. It says goals, goals, goals. And it's just like so aesthetic and cute. It has her little Instagram handle at the bottom. I'll link this below. It's just super cute. And I'm so excited. Yeah, it says, let's crush some goals together. Month. Then I could write like January, my goals for the month, goal progress at the beginning of the month. You can see like where you're at now. So I could put like subscribers, 147,000 for January, and then maybe at the end of the month I can say like, oh, I hit 150,000. I just think this is so cute. I'm super excited to write in it. Let's get started on the deep cleaning. My actual like living room kitchen is pretty much picked up for the most part. Same with my room. So I'm just going to like dust and vacuum and everything like that. So I'm done with my deep cleaning. I was actually super motivated once I started. It took me a little bit longer than I expected, but I did more than I was planning to do. So I'll need to wash my makeup brushes. I just washed my makeup brushes, so I'll have fresh, clean brushes for the week. I'm just gonna look and see what else is on my to-do list. I planned out the next week. I deep cleaned, I washed my makeup brushes, I backed up my computer. But my next priority is mainly just editing, so I can get the video for tomorrow completely edited. I might just go ahead and end the vlog here so I can really just focus on editing and everything like that. I do still need to plan out my meals for the week and get a grocery list together for tomorrow. Other than that, I feel like I've done pretty much everything to prepare for the week. My camera died, but I think I was just saying that I feel like I did a lot to kind of prepare for the week and just kind of do a nice little reset. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this is helpful and inspires and motivates you to have a productive weekend as well. I mean, obviously it's totally fine to just completely relax and chill and just watch Netflix on the weekends and do absolutely nothing, but this is just what I did this weekend and just some things I did to have a nice productive week ahead. It is nice to just like literally do nothing on the weekends, and like a lot of times that is my plan. I'm like, I'm just gonna do nothing this weekend, I'm just gonna relax, but then I always find myself making some sort of to-do list. Don't forget to give yourself time off to just chill. Taking care of yourself and relaxing is productive as well. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. Definitely comment below some things you like to do on the weekend or what you like to do on Sundays to kind of like reset. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely thumbs up if you'd like to see more vlogs like this and day in my lives and just stuff like this. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Like I said, I have so many fun videos planned and I'm really excited about them. So definitely make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys all have a great weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye.